Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am for the week of May 8th through 14th, and I have another sticker sheet from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. So I purchased her luxury advent calendar back in I think October or November, and there are 12 different sticker sheets in here, one for every month, and this is the one for the month of May. I've already used the big sticker and a couple of florals in my Hobonichi weeks, but I'm excited to use the rest of these here. And I'm going to combine it with possibly these circles from Create with Mandy. Let's get started. I was looking for washi to use, and then, or not even washi, like alcohol inks from According to Allie, and then I remembered I had this really pretty pink, and it looks like dusty pink, which I absolutely love, in washi form. And I think it matches a little bit with the color on the bike, so I want to bring that color out more because the purple and the green are very strong and prominent in these stickers, and I want to bring out some of that red. So even with that said, I think the inks I'm going to use in this spread are probably the Tatcha Ume Murasaki. And I was going to use a green, which is, there is a green in my Hogtown pens, which is Pilot Roshizuku Sui Gyoku. So we might use both of those. Okay, so scooch my chair in here. Let's see. Let's put this up here. I'm gonna start with just the washi up at the top, and I don't normally care if it's a straight knot. I mean, normally I like the ripped look just like that, but I think for the end piece here, I'm going to go with cutting that straight. What do I normally use for that? Let's just use this. If it works, great. If not, whatever. Ooh, okay. See, that's a really pretty effect up at the top there. And then I think I'm going to, because there's nowhere else I can really put the bike sticker other than the top, because it's not going to fit down there. Although I haven't really been writing my meals down. I really need to get better at that. And actually, I don't mind covering the calendar because I know what part of May it is, although I do end up covering part of my work schedule because I start right at 8:30. Ooh, or I could put it across the 2 days, which I will probably do. So let's see. See, this is the hard thing though. Is that, where do I cut it? Because if I cut it here, then that part's going to be a little off. So I'm going to cut it here. Okay. And let's put this sticker down first because this one is the bigger one, and I don't want any part of the sticker to essentially fall off the page. And then the sticker on this side. Pretty. Oh gosh, that is gorgeous already. And then let's put a few of the smaller tulips around it. Kind of like taking a bike through a field of tulips, and tulips are my favorite flower. They're just so, I don't know, like simple and unassuming, but still so gorgeous. Yeah, let's do that one there. Then I'm going to place some of this washi down here. Probably do the straight cut again. Normally I try to do this with a card, but that seems to work well. Ooh, I like that spot there as well. And then do a really big one, but then I hate covering that spot. Pretty. And then I still have 4 tulips that I can use, probably just use them around the spread. All right, so let's zoom into the sidebar. I found matching swatches. These are from my Spring Leaves collection that I released in April. So I'm going to find my, where'd it go? My Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen and a brush letter in the word sleep. The other one part of me is like, why don't you create a script sticker for that part of me wants to, but then the other part of me is like, I like being able to practice my brush lettering when I can. So I'm going to just test really quickly whether this green will match or if it's too much. I'm going to, because I'm already using this one in my 5-year journal, I'm going to stick to the Tatsuya Ume Murasaki. So keep track of my sleep here. And I've been doing a little something different this week because I haven't been doing weight training. I've just been working out on my indoor stepper. And instead of just doing it first thing in the morning, I'm actually doing it also at night after dinner. It helps to calm me down actually after a long work day. And then I take a shower and I get ready for bed. It's actually really, I found it really relaxing for me. And then I get a whole bunch of extra steps in. So underneath that, I will write in the word steps. I'll use the purple one this time. And I could use a purple ink, which is currently in my On a Whim Woodworks. It's Tatsuya Nakamurasaki in here. So I could do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And this is where I will keep track of how many steps I've done each day, as well as probably the amount of calories that I'm burning, because I'm trying to, even though I know that the Fitbit is not the most accurate, trying to get over a certain amount. So that is the sidebar. I'm going to move over to the bottom section. So in the bottom section, I'm going to use my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen to brush letter in the word meals, and then using the same spring leaves swatches, covering that up and creating headers that way. And then once I am done that, then I will use my same Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen to brush letter in the word work Monday through Thursday. And then I'm going to use my fountain pens to draw in my work shifts, and as well use the spring leaf swatches as headers to cover up the words work. I really like that with all the different fountain pen colors. It adds a little bit of, I don't know, adds a little bit more interest to the spread. So while I'm here, I'm going to add a few more of the tulips where I can. This one's gonna be like that. And then I'll probably add this big one on the side for Mother's Day. And it's a big weekend actually, because you know, Sunday is Mother's Day is Mother's Day. But also Henry's first communion is on the Saturday, as well as his first reconciliation. So big weekend. We're hosting a little dinner at my house after with my family, but Rob is very much of the, it's going to be a barbecue, so I don't have to actually do anything, which is fine. I feel like by adding this, I'm just adding a little bit more, like it's done. I don't want to add any more to this unless I just put it there. Oh yeah, that'll work. There. Okay. Empty sticker sheet. All right, so next we'll go into the day by day, making sure I'm using the correct pens. So we've got my to-do list here, which is my usual meal plan and order groceries. I love this ink, and I'm so glad that I have another sample in my Van Ness order. Then on Tuesday, let's put out garbage. And let's find my icons. Icon. Ah, there. And if you guys are curious, this is a sticker album from According to Allie. I have a link to her shop below, and you can use the code Karina10 for 10% off her shop. And I love these teeny tiny icons because they fit perfectly in the 1 hour slot. And in the clear sticker sheet, it looks like it's just perfectly made for that. Then Wednesday, nothing. Thursday, my husband will be picking up groceries during this time. Wrong pen. Pick up groceries. And then that morning, I actually have, oh, and I've covered it up here. I have acupuncture, which, 8 o'clock, acupuncture. And then I just realized I have appointments on that day. I need to double check what they are before I write them in. Okay, so let's see here. I could use the exclamation, but I have a specific one. No. I will use this for Friday, 1:30. I'm just remembering as I go here. So 1:30, I've got, this is for the purple pen, 1:30 labs. Okay, and then before that, I have, here we go, oops, here's my scale icon, and that's at 10, so that is Weight Watchers at 10 o'clock. I mostly go to see Adrian and Deb. And Adrian, if you were watching, tell Frankie I say hi. And Mick too. Okay. Then where's my YouTube? Then in between that and that, I will be filming. So let's put that here. And to film, let's see, let's do it like this. It'll be the, week's cousin, and I know there will be an unboxing, but I won't write that down as of yet. And then Friday, I will have to do laundry on the Friday because Saturday is going to be crazy. So Friday, laundry. Oh, before laundry, actually I'll put laundry down here. But before laundry, after I pick up the kids from school, it is boba time. So put that right here. What did my daughter say to me? Boba at Coco. My daughter said to me, she's like, the only reason I go to school is so that at the end of the week we can go get bubble tea. Priorities. These are the priorities of life. All right, and then Henry has his first reconciliation at 10 on the Saturday. So that is the green. And it's first. Okay, and then later that day is, so at the 4:30 Mass, it is his first communion, or his first Eucharist. First Eucharist. And then after that, we are going to have the family over. So I'm going to pull out, that's the wrong one. There we go. I have different sticker albums depending on, like for example, this sticker album is just for icons. So let's find the family one. I know there's one for like family. There we go. Family eating. And it'll essentially be a barbecue. My husband is going to do all the barbecuing. barbecue at our house. Cool. So in that time, I may clean, or I might clean there. Actually, because we've already gone to church that day, I can do my cleaning that day. These are the things that go through my head. When do I do my cleaning? Let's put this back here. This is more like a miscellaneous. So this one, I love these. These are from Paper Bits Co. Like, how adorable is she? So put that here. And that will be this one. So this will be for bed linens, bathrooms, cabinets and appliances. My husband does the vacuuming and the windows, and Henry goes around to get all the bins. And then my daughter does the, actually we're gonna get her to mop that day, and the handles and light switches. All right, and then Henry has Ninja. Let's put this back here. Henry has Ninja. Where is his Ninja icon? Ninja is a random one too. Like, that's like a one-off just for Henry. And I always just stuff it back in here. I should be a little bit more organized with that, but I just stuff it back in here. Not there, not there. If I don't find it, it's not a huge deal. But it's so great having them just for Henry. They're his little thing. Oh, let's just do this. I have a lot of these, so I should use them. Let's see. Use this one for Henry, his Ninja. So it's from 11:30 to 12:30. And I think that's all for now. I don't think there's anything else that needs to happen. You know, if anything, I might end up just actually doing the cleaning there or working on designs there, because my new releases will be coming out the following week. Okay, let me do a quick tidy. So there is my finished spread. I really like the combination of that with the swatches and the different colors. It's really such a fun spread, really such a fun spread. And I really love JoJo's stickers. They're just absolutely stunning. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and have yourselves a great day.